Yo, what is up, man? It's your boy, Damn D. We are back with another video, and today I want to go over the lead attorney. The lead attorney is going to pretty much break down and read the documents that was sent to Tasha K in this whole lawsuit that, is being, that she's going to have to deal with Kevin Hart, right? Because Kevin Hart is suing her for defamation and extortion. For interviewing his former assistant. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to skim through the lead attorney's live stream he did yesterday. Definitely go check out lead attorney. I'm sure y'all know who he is. If y'all don't, definitely check him out. He does great work breaking down cases. And I just want to just skim through it so he can read and kind of break down exactly what's going on in this lawsuit. All right. So like I said, definitely go check out the lead attorney. And we're just going to skim through some of these and just play the moments where he's talking about the paperwork.
Hart is saying, Kevin's like, okay, lead, I heard what she said about you, but fuck that. What did she do to me? What did she do to me? Why isn't this showing up? Hold on, let me do this one more time. I'm struggle streaming. Here we go. I want to get my pointer action. All right, you ready? Let's do this. Let's take a, first of all, get my likes up. Can y'all get my likes up? Let me get my likes up. Let me see what y'all are talking about in the chat. And then we're going to.
I got you with the like. Look. I hit the like button right there. Boom. I hit that like button for you. Let's get it.
Break all of this shit down. I know I ain't got damn near 5,000 people in here and 1.2 likes. Can y'all give me a 1.7? Can y'all get a brother to 1.7? Let's see who we got up in here. Shout out to my man Nicola. Shout out to Nikki. Shout out to.
Let's skip this.
Kevin, Christmas gift came with a deposition and a.
All right, here we go.
Tasha K want me out this bitch. Tasha K want me out this damn thing. All right. So I'm back now. I'm back. Let me do this again. I don't know what happened. They're trying to cut my stream off, but I'm still here. Tasha K want the live cut, but I'm still here, guys. We're going over this damn thing.
Right, here we go.
We're going over this thing. Tasha want me to get off, but I'm still on. All right. Let's go. All right.
So this is the paperwork that was sent.
Now, what's being alleged here? This is in the state of California, county of Los Angeles. All right. Complaint for civil extortion, breach of contract, intentional interference with contractual relations, invasion of privacy, and of course, Tasha's favorite, defamation.
So this is the list of complaints that, that is in this lawsuit.
Absolute favorite. We are here talking about defamation. All right. Let's keep going. What do we got? All right. Y'all ready? Let's see what we got here. Let's see if this is good or bad. What's going on? Hart is a comedian, Kevin Hart, and an actor. He has a corporation in California. Now here's the thing, guys, and let's go up and look at this, because it's not just Tasha K that's being sued. It's another lady, this Misha Shakes. She also is being sued. All right, and John Doe's 1 through 20.
All right, so this is, I'm guessing this is the female that was in the interview, his former assistant.
Doe's 1 through 20 mean? These are just people that they don't know the names of. But once they find out through the names, through discovery or investigation, they're going to go and add these names. So these Doe's, it's kind of like John Doe and Jane Doe. So they're saying 1 through 20, but they're going to go in, and once they find out who these people are, they're going to put their names in the lawsuit as well. So who's suing? It is Kevin Hart and his corporation. So Kevin Hart, all right, so Kevin Hart and defendant Misha Shakes. Now, Misha is the one who gave the interview. Let's back up for a second. So what happened? Kevin Hart is pissed because this lady Misha sat down with Tasha K. Who is Misha? Misha, it was Kevin Hart's assistant.
Right.
So let's get to the good part, because I don't want to... This is just sha-la-la-la.
Let's get to the good stuff.
Venue. Okay. The case actually, guys, is in, I would have thought that it would have been in federal court, but they're like, no, we don't want to do it in federal court. We want to do it in Los Angeles Superior Court. So it is in, they're doing it in Los Angeles, out there in California. All right. Here we go.
All right. Here we go.
And shout out to Gail. Gail says, if I have Zelle. Yes, I do have Zelle, and you can just use my, so much. I'm super appreciative. Here we go. 2.5. Y'all think y'all give me 2.5 likes? It's damn near 5,000 people in here. All right. So let's try to get to 2.5 likes. Meanwhile, let's see what's going on. All right. You ready? Here we go. During the course of her employment with Kevin Hart, this Misha Shakes served as Kevin Hart's personal assistant. You can't trust nobody, man.
These hoes ain't loyal. No, they ain't. Whoa. These hoes ain't loyal. Yeah.
You know how close your personal assistant is. And man, I've had some paralegals. You want to talk about, if you have a paralegal, they know where you want to stick it to them. And they know it for a reason. So when Kevin Hart's personal assistant turns on him, it's like, that's like the last person you want, because they know where all the bodies are. All right. In this said capacity, Shakes was privy to certain confidential business and personal information regarding Hart, his family, friends, associates, various personnel and employees, etc. As a result, Misha appeared to be in position to disseminate or confirm allegations about those persons. Shakes entered her employment relationship with Hart and signed a confidentiality agreement. Okay. Now shout out to Kevin Hart.
So as you see, she did sign the NDA, right? That's the NDA. Pretty much says that you can't talk about the stuff that goes on after if during your employment or after your employment, right?
Confidential information. In the course of Misha's engagement, the owner proposes to disclose certain information, confidential information to Misha. So he's saying, listen, if you work here, I'm gonna tell you some shit, man. Let's just put it right out on the table. If you work for me, you're gonna find out some shit. All right. It's going to be about me. It's going to be about my officers, directors, shareholders. You're going to find out stuff about my clients, my family, my friends. All of this is true. You're going to find out matters concerning my business operations, my business ideas, my techniques, methodologies. You're going to find out data, materials, products, technology, computer programs, specifications. You're going to find out business plans, marketing plans, financial information, letters. Everything.
She know everything. But I don't know why. If she signed this, why would she? I just don't understand. You know what I mean? I don't understand. If you know that you signed this and you know that you can't talk about it, why talk about it? I don't know. But hey, I'm here for the entertainment.
You're going to find out about so many confidential and or proprietary information. This will be disclosed orally. And the failure, or I don't know what they're talking about right here. At any rate, the confidential information may be made confidential by law or by the protected party's policies. So basically, I ain't gonna read this whole fucking thing, but basically what they're saying is you're gonna find out a lot of shit when you work with me.
A lot.
And it's saying right here, Misha acknowledges that both parties have substantial and valuable, that Kevin Hart has substantial and valuable property rights and proprietary interests in the information. So Kevin's like, listen, number one, you're gonna find out a lot of shit about me and my family, all my business. Number two, you acknowledge that this information is mine. Just because you know it doesn't mean that it's yours, ho, it's mine. Number three, no license. Nothing contained in herein shall be construed as giving a license to the confidential information. So not only is it not yours, you don't have a license for it. It's not yours.
Jeez.
No publicity. The recipient, Misha, agrees to not disclose its participation in this undertaking, the existence or terms and the conditions of the agreement, or the fact that the discussions are being held. He's like, listen, not only can you not talk about the information, not only is the information not yours, not only do you not even have a license for it, you can't even talk about this agreement. You can't even.
Dang. So why is she talking? Like I said, I hope she got a big payday out of that interview because this don't look good. This don't look good at all. Knowing what's in the details, what's in the fine print of this NDA, she breaking every single rule. Allegedly. This is all allegedly, in my opinion.
Discuss that we have a confidential agreement. The confidential agreement is confidential. You can't talk about none of this. None of it. Right? So, damn. There is her signature right there. Who the hell is Pookie Wigington? God damn.
Yeah, Pookie.
Who the hell is that? All right, so I guess this is Kevin Hart's signature right here. And this is Misha's signature. So listen, Kevin's like, man, I got paperwork on you. Kevin's like, I got a confidentiality agreement. All right, so that's interesting. So it says right here, Misha entered her employment with Kevin, and Misha and Kevin entered into a confidentiality agreement on August 8th, 2017. That's what we just looked at. The confidentiality agreement defined confidential information as matters concerning business operations, business ideas, techniques, methodologies. I just read through that. The confidentiality agreement further provided that Shakes expressly agrees that she shall not directly or indirectly, verbally or otherwise, publish, disseminate, disclose, or cause to be published, disseminated, or disclosed any confidential information to any person, firm, or entity whatsoever.
Reading this NDA, I don't see how she. Golly, what was she thinking? Did she not read over this NDA? She was just probably so excited just to work for Kevin Hart. Just say, yeah. I'll just sign it. Not knowing that you ain't supposed to go to people like Tasha K and disclose all this personal information. Lordy.
That seems kind of tight.
Yeah.
If she's signing this, now how is it that she's sitting down with all people, Tasha K?
That's exactly what I said, bald head man. Mr. Shine, Mr. Clean. Lead attorney got a bald head. Shout out to the lead attorney. Just jokes.
Put a one in the chat if y'all saw that. If y'all saw the interview. Did you see the interview? If you saw the interview, put yes. That is an NDA. And they've attached the NDA as Exhibit B. Shakes on the one hand and Hart on behalf of himself entered a mutual release and non-disclosure agreement. Okay, so not only is there a confidentiality agreement, now on top of that is an NDA. And they've attached the NDA as Exhibit B. All right, let's go down here and take a gander. Now this is Exhibit A. All right, let's see if there's Exhibit B. Oh, here it is. Mutual release B. And non-disclosure agreement. Now, Lord knows I'm not reading all this. Basically, what it says is Kevin Hart and Misha Shakes. Shout out to Pocket Watching with JT. We got Pocket Watching with JT in the house. Thank you so much, Gail, for letting me know. So Kevin Hart and Misha Shakes entered into this mutual release and non-disclosure agreement. So, okay. Here it is. Agreement not to disclose or use confidential information. Shakes shall not directly or indirectly disclose, exploit, or disseminate confidential information to any person or entity whatsoever, including but not limited to Tasha K, to friends, family members, journalists, tabloids, television or radio program, websites, internet, social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. It's interesting they put YouTube in there, but it's of course included in there, or threaten to do so. This applies to all confidential information, whether truthful, fictionalized, on or off the record. This is what this lady agreed to.
So why did she? I don't get it. She just gotta look. She's doing this, in my opinion, just her feelings got hurt. Because, I don't want to make this a man and women thing. Well, I'm just going to say people, because I don't want to just specify women, because I don't want to offend nobody. But people do stuff like that, stuff like this, knowing they're not supposed to. They do it because their feeling got hurt. I'm just going to say, allegedly, in my opinion, her feelings probably got hurt that she got fired or something. Something had to happen for her to disregard this NDA that she filled out. So this is what she did on Tasha K in that interview was just pure emotion, not logical. She was not thinking logical, because if she was thinking logical, she would have known I can't do this. It's not smart for me to do this. Kevin Hart can sue the hell out of me if I do this, whether my feelings are hurt or not. So this is, in my opinion, straight emotion driven.
You can't use his name or likeness, can't use any images, can't use any recordings. Interesting. So you can't do anything under this agreement. Let's see if she signed it. Damn. There's her signature. Understood, accepted, and agreed to by Misha Shakes.
Ching, ching.
And here's Kevin Hart's signature right there. So Misha, man, not only did you sign a confidentiality agreement, but you also signed an NDA. And you sat down with Tasha K. Shout out to Armand. Isn't that how he said it, Tasha K? Man, it sounds like you might have been talking to Tasha K about some confidential information, because you can't say shit under this NDA. It's strapped up. All right, let's keep it going. So it says right here, they signed the NDA October 22nd, 2020. The NDA called for Hart to pay Shakes $30,000 for a period of 3 years, along with other consideration. I know that's not her salary.
I'm about to say $30,000 per year? That can't be her salary. That's just $30,000 a month? Do you mean a month or per year? That's crazy.
There's no way you can survive in California. 30,000. Let's keep going.
Yeah. A $30,000. Yeah, yeah. Something ain't right about that. That's crazy.
The NDA defines as confidential information, private and confidential information which is not generally known to the public or readily ascertainable by proper means. The NDA further provides, Misha shall not directly or indirectly disclose, exploit, disseminate. I already read this out. God, I'm on it. I already read that to you. So, all right, here's the thing. Let's focus on this for a second. The NDA called for Hart to pay Shakes $30,000 per year for a period of 3 years. Now, either this was her salary as the personal assistant, or this is money that she got for signing the NDA. Now, I will tell you, Jeff Bezos put out his NDA. He filed suit against one of his maids, I believe, because the maid's trying to do a tell-all or some shit. And Jeff Bezos paid the maid. Now, what Keita G will tell you, what attorneys will tell you, is that for Shakes therefore had a duty to preserve confidential information. The NDA included an attorney's fees clause, which provided as follows: in any proceeding arising out of or related to this agreement or its enforcement, the prevailing party shall be entitled to recover all of his, her, its reasonable attorney's fees, costs, and expenses.
Look, man, pretty much now, if y'all want to watch the full live stream of the lead attorney, y'all can go check that out. But basically, I don't know what the hell she thinking. It just don't make no sense. Why would she do this knowing that she signed this? I don't understand. But shout out to the lead attorney. Definitely go follow the lead attorney and watch the entire interview. I mean the entire live stream if you want to know more information. This is just a little, just a little highlight reel, because a lot of this lawyer talk I don't know about. So it's just good to hear from a lawyer's perspective, from an actual lawyer perspective. And the lead attorney does a great job breaking down cases like this. So definitely go check out and go follow the lead attorney on YouTube. Other than that, man, y'all leave a comment down below, man. I just don't get it. Why was man, I hope she got a good payday out of that interview. I mean, because it just don't seem like it's worth it, especially knowing what you signed. Like, lady, that's your signature. This got to be just she had to get her feelings hurt somehow, some way. You know what I mean? For someone to do this, and I don't want to just genderify like only women do this, because men do, shady stuff too. But the only time people do this is when they feelings get hurt, So I don't know. I don't know what happened, but this is crazy for her to actually sit down with Tasha K and say all this stuff, man. So other than that, man, it's your boy Damn D. I'm up out of here. Y'all leave a comment down below, man. A wise man once told me, these hoes ain't loyal. No, they ain't. Whoa, these hoes ain't loyal. Yeah, yeah.